government-funded projects, whether it comes from the Infrastructure Act or other publicly funded offerings, um, present great opportunity to a construction firm. Yet that great opportunity comes at a cost, and the cost is compliance. As you're evaluating pursuing this public work, there are two things that I think you should take a look at to really improve your confidence to be successful and compliant with the work. First is, do you have the right workforce, either internally or through contractors or aligning with unions to staff the projects? And it's not just, do I have the right number of people? Do I have the right mix of skills that are called out in that contract? The second thing is, do I have the right payroll and HR technology to ensure that I'm compliant, meeting the terms of the contract in terms of pay and reporting? So first, it starts with having a robust time and attendance system that tracks where the employees are, how long they work, what projects they work on, because that information fuels not only pay, but back-end reporting. You need to have a payroll system built for the needs of construction, that has the capabilities to pay prevailing wage and fringe or union wages, union benefits, and those associated complexities, as well as handle the reporting aspect, not only for certified peer reports, but also union remittance back to your respective unions that you're contracted with.